If you are watching this video for the first time, make sure you are subscribing to Anantha Lakshmi Academy. Once you click on the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. If you click on that bell and click on all, you will get to know whenever I upload a video. This will send you a notification. Welcome back to Anantha Lakshmi Academy. We have covered so far exercise 8.1 and basic proportionality theorem and converse of the basic proportionality theorem, and the similarity constraints for the triangles we have covered so far in the earlier videos. Now we are going to discuss the criteria for similarity of triangles. There are few criteria for the similarity of triangles. We are going to discuss what are those. What is this criteria for similar triangles? We have three types of criteria. One is angle criteria, side angle side criteria, and side criteria. Okay, these are the criteria which we are going to discuss, and now I am going to discuss the first one, which is angle criteria for similarity of triangles. Here we have the angle AAA criteria of similar triangle. This is theorem 8.3 in your textbook, wherein it says in two triangles, if the angles are equal, then the sides opposite to the equal angles are in the same ratio or proportional, and hence two triangles are similar. So let me draw two triangles ABC and PQR. So what are they trying to say is, I am not going to solve these theorems here. I just wanted to explain you how this criteria works. Okay. So let A be an angle which is equal to P, B be an angle which is equal to Q, C be an angle which is equal to R. So then, okay, let angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Then what are they trying to say? Then the sides opposite to the equal angles are in the same ratio. Then the sides opposite to equal angle. Consider the side opposite to angle A, angle P, which is nothing but BC by QR is equal to, consider the side opposite to B, which is nothing but AC by PR is equal to, the side opposite to C is nothing but AB by PQ. So what is this criteria saying? The angle criteria is saying that if two triangles are having equal triangles, when you say equal triangles, it is not the angles within the triangles, it is the angles in two different triangles on the same side are equal. If you go through this, angle A is equal to angle P, Q and B are same, C and R are same. It is not within a single triangle, it is between two triangles. When the corresponding angles are equal, then the sides opposite to the equal angles ratios are also equal. That's what this theorem says. Okay, we need to remember these criteria of similar triangles so that this will be for our help during when we are solving the exercise 8.2 problems. Okay, so this is the about AAA which says when the angles are equal, then the sides opposite to the corresponding angles are equal in ratio. There is one more theorem wherein two sides of a, if you get that two angles of a triangle are equal, say this and this. Now then what happens? Then the third side eventually will be equal. Say for suppose this and this are equal. This is 30, that is 60. And this 30 is equal to this 30, this 60 is equal to this 60. Then the other angle also will definitely be equal using the sum of triangles. Sum of triangles in the triangle is nothing but 180 degrees. When this is 60 and 30, this is going to be nothing but one more angle. That will, when this is 30 and this is 60, this is also going to be the same angle. Okay, when either two of the angles are equal in the triangle or three angles are equal. When two angles are equal, eventually the third angle also equal. So what I am trying to say is, when two angles are equal, AA, or when all the three angles are equal. When two angles are equal, eventually the third angle also will be equal. So in the problems, if you were given that two angles of two different triangles are equal, then we can use this theorem. All right. Let's jump into the next theorem, which is side criteria of similar triangles. So here we have the side criterion for similarity of triangles. So this is theorem 8.4 in your textbook. So let me give a read for this. All right. If in two triangles, the sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the triangles are similar. If you read it carefully, it looks like just the converse of the AAA theorem, wherein we proved that when corresponding angles are equal, the sides are in equal ratio. It is just the other way around, wherein if in two triangles, let me draw the triangles A, B, C and PQR. Okay, now we have two triangles wherein it is said that the sides of one triangle are proportional to sides of the other triangle. What is this proportional meaning? Proportional is nothing but the sides, ratio of the sides is equal, which meant AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. And this ratio will be less than 1. If you remember, when we were discussing about the scaling factor in the very first part, similar to triangles first part, I told you that K is a scaling factor, and when it is equal to 1, those two triangles are congruent. When it is less than 1, you get diminished figures, and when it is greater than 1, you get enlarged figures. Alright, this factor is less than 1, and when the ratios of the sides are equal, then the corresponding angles are also equal. That's what this theorem says. Okay, such that angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Alright, so this is about SSS criterion. Let's jump into the next one, which is side criterion for similarity of triangles. Okay, we have the SAS criteria of the similar triangles now. Alright, one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle. So let me draw A, B, C and PQR such that angle A is equal to angle P. One angle of triangle is equal to the one angle of other triangle, then the including sides of these angles are proportional. What is including sides are nothing but the two sides in which this angle is enclosed. The two sides in which this angle is enclosed, AB and AC. In this triangle, PQ and PR. It is not that BC by QR is equal. No. It is that the including sides of the triangles must be equal. The including sides of the angle should be equal. Okay. What is it? When angle A is equal to angle P. When one angle of one triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle, then the including sides ratio, the including sides of these angles are proportional, which is nothing but, what is the including side? First one, AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. When they say including sides of the angle are proportional, their ratios are equal, which is nothing but AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. So, in the problems, when one of the angles is given and the corresponding sides of including angle are given, then we could employ this theorem of SAS criteria of similar triangle. So, what did we talk about in the angle criteria? Wherein if the angles, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R, then AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. That's what we spoke about in AAA, isn't it? Within the sides, what was given for us? When AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR when the sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of other triangle, then the corresponding angles are equal. This is what the converse of the angles is, nothing but the sides theorem, SSS theorem. Okay, now in SAS, side angle side, we are saying that when one of the angle of one triangle is equal to one of the angle of the second triangle, then the sides including this angle are proportional, which meant the sides in which this angle is enclosed. You have to consider this and this, not this. Okay, keep it in mind. When the sides enclosing this angle are proportional. Okay, so that is about the similarity criterion or the criterion for similarity of triangles. Now that we are good with this, we can jump into the exercise problems, which is nothing but 8.2. But even before we get into the exercise problems of 8.2, I strongly recommend you guys to go through the example problems so that you will have some exercise even before jumping into the actual problems. All right, so that is about this video, and if you feel that the content is worth enough, please do like, share and subscribe to Anantha Lakshmi Academy. Thank you for watching.